Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a form for data input in Microsoft Excel. So how to create a form for data input in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we first fill in the form that we will make for data input. Here I will give ID card number, name, gender, and address. After that, adjust the size and layout first. Block all text. Tap Format a table. Here are many options, please choose. I choose this one. After that, tap all text. Go to the File menu. Down. Go to the More Options menu. And a menu will come out. Select and tap Quick Access Toolbar. In the Popular Commands section, change it to Commands Not in the Ribbons. And scroll down to find the file. Tap File. Tap Add. And tap OK. And tap OK again. Now at the top end, the data input form has come out. Click. And a data input form like this will come out. Here we can fill in ID number, 1, name, Mark, gender, male, address, Francisco. Tap New. Well, here will come out the results of what we input earlier. Well, for example, we want to add. Tap here. To the form menu above. And click. An input data form like this will come out. Here we can fill in ID number, 1, name, Yala, gender, female, address, New York. Tap New. Well, here will come out the results of what we input earlier. Here we can also delete it. By way of, tap the form that will be deleted. Go to the Form menu above. Input data form like this will come out. Here you can scroll to find the data you want to delete. And for example, this data will be deleted. Tap the data. And then tap Delete. Well, here the data we deleted earlier is no longer there. So that's it. Tutorial how to create a form for data input in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.